Dear students, Jai Hind. You are welcome in the YouTube channel of Fort Defense Academy. Let's build vocabulary together. Today we are starting one word substitution, part 1. Force Defense Academy welcome you all. Let's start. Today the first word is expert in the scientific study of birds. So, expert in the scientific study of birds, the options are given: dermatologist, zoologist, ornithologist, and astronaut. You know the correct word is ornithologist. Let's see the meaning of the other words. Ornithologist, a person who studies birds. Dermatologist, a doctor who studies and treats skin diseases. Zoologist, a scientist who studies animals and their behavior. Astronaut, a person whose job involves traveling and working in a spacecraft. So, a person who studies the birds is ornithologist. Next, building in which dead bodies are kept for a time. So, they are keeping the dead body for a time. Options are mortuary, monastery, sanatorium, crematorium. So, dear students, crema means burn. So, the right answer is mortuary. Let's learn the meaning of the other words. Mortuary, a room, building in which dead bodies are kept before they are buried, cremated. Next is monastery, a building in which monks live together. Sanatorium, a place like a hospital where patients who have a lasting illness, who are getting better after illness, are treated. Sanatorium. And crematorium, a building in which the bodies of dead people are burned. So the right option is mortuary. Next, one who believes that gaining pleasure is the most important thing in life. He seeks only pleasure. So ऑप्शंस आर हेडोनिस्ट, पेसिमिस्ट, मिसेंथ्रोप. पैलेस्टाइन बच्चों, मिसेंथ्रोप, एंथ्रो मीन्स ह्यूमन, मिस मीन्स मिसबिहेव, पेसिमिस्ट. सो द राइट आंसर इज हेडोनिस्ट. लेट्स डिस्कस द मीनिंग. हेडोनिस्ट, a person who believes that pleasure is the most important thing in life. Pessimist, a person who always expects bad thing to happen. Misanthrope, a person who hates and avoids other people. Philistine, a person who does not understand art, literature and music. So, a person who believes that gaining pleasure is the most important thing in life is hedonist. Come to the next word. One who breaks the established traditions and image. One who breaks the established traditions and image is fatalist, fanatic, iconoclast and philogynist. So right answer is iconoclast. Iconoclast, a person who criticizes popular beliefs or established customs. Fatalist, a person who believes in fate or destiny. Fanatic, a person who is extremely enthusiastic. Philogynist, a person who esteems woman as the higher type of humanity. So, one who breaks the established tradition and images is iconoclast. Come to the next point. Property handed down after the death of a person. Read the line properly. Property handed down after the death of a person. Person की death, after the death of a person the property is handed down. So it is not legacy, it is inheritance. It is inheritance. Legacy is active, inheritance is passive. Inheritance, the money, property that you receive from somebody when he dies. Legacy, money, property that is given to you by somebody. We are seeing here legacy, money is given. Inheritance, money or property is received. Fine. Legend, story from ancient time. Patrimony, property that is given to somebody when his father dies. We can say it is also inheritance. Next, belief that war and violence are unjustified. The person want to say, or he believe that war and violence are unjustified. What will be the one word for the neutralization? Pessimism, naturalization, and pacifism. Dear students, right answer is pacifism. Pacifism, the belief that war and violence are always wrong. Neutralization, action intended to invalidate the effect of some previous actions. Pessimism, a feeling that bad things will happen and that something will not be successful. Hopeless people, we can say. Naturalization, the quality of being brought into conformity with nature. So the right answer is pacifism. A group of girls, bevy, cove, troop, choir. A group of girls is bevy. Bevy, a large group of people, things of the same kind, girls or young women. Cove, a small collection of people. Troupe, a group of actors, singers who work together. Choir, a small group of people who have the same interest and do things together but do not like to include others. A group of girls is called bevy. Causing or ending in death. So we can say deadly or fatal. So fatal, mild, serious, dangerous. Ending in death is fatal. Fatal is the right answer. Mild means light. Fatal, causing or ending in death. Serious, bad, dangerous, not only for pleasure. Dangerous, likely to injure, harm, damage, destroy. A short poem or speech addressed to the spectators after the conclusion of a drama. We see many movies, in the end someone come and he tells something. So a short poem or speech in the end of a drama, that is, we have two words here. First is prologue, second is epilogue. Prologue in the beginning, epilogue in the ending. So right answer is epilogue. Epilogue is the right answer. Epilogue, a speech at the end of a play. Prologue, a speech at the beginning of a play. Dialogue, conversation. Monologue, a long speech by a person. Next word, one who loves books. One who loves books is phile. Phile, phile. Bibliophile is the book lover. Teacher, who teaches you. Bibliographer, graph means to write. So, bibliographer means writer of a book, but who loves book is bibliophile. And scholar, one who has great knowledge. So, one who loves book is bibliophile. Bibliophile, scholar, a person who knows a lot about particular subject. Bibliographer, someone who trained in compiling books. Teacher, a person who teaches in a school. So, dear students, I hope you got these words. With the help of these 10, we discuss 40 words. And we will continue the series. Thank you. Jai Hind.